Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on quitting apps running in the background on iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you swipe up to go to your home page on iPad, it doesn't fully quit the app you were using. It will stay partially running in the background and allow you to continue where you left off when you last used it. To fully quit apps, do a swipe up and hold until the Open Apps menu shows. You can then swipe your Open Apps up in order to quit them. You can repeat this for all the apps open in the background. Note that closing all your apps like this doesn't actually offer any improvements in battery life or speed of your iPad. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.